So hi guys, let's have a look at this 35th scale Fire Scout. Now this is really interesting. I didn't think much of it when I first heard about it. I thought, nah, drone, whatever. But upon opening the box, and as you'll see when we open the box, this is really interesting. And there's two kits in here. So let's have a look. So, what have we got in the box? We've actually got two kits. Two sprues, body shell, all the rest of it. There's two different versions in this, so you can build two variants, so you're not wasting another kit. So all that, all nice detail, very straightforward. Here's your rotor blades, frames, supports, all the rest of it. Fuselage, there's the upper deck, or part of the upper deck. Well, actually, that's the underbelly, sorry guys. Noses, different noses you can put on it. Very cool. Now, what do we got? There are some clear parts, even though it's a drone and there's no cockpit or anything else. There is a couple of clear parts. Bit of etch metal, little decal sheet, and instructions. That is really, really cool. I think anybody having a look at this 35th scale. So I was very surprised with it. So there you go.